The torch of industrial revolution is lightened by human civilization of continuous innovation once more. Made in China 2025 opens a new chapter in our history, by which Greatoo does wonders in new dimension. 2004 witnessed the Greatoo going public in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. It is the first listed radial tire mold company in China. Greatoo maintains its competitive edge by setting up branches all around the world. As early as 2008, Greatoo rolled out its transnational mergers, which leads to upgrade from production investment, industrial investments to strategic investments. Radial tire mold opens the door to four state-of-the-art businesses, which is a tire mold, high-precision hydraulic curing press, high-precision CNC machine tool, and industrial robot. As a large manufacturer with cutting-edge technology of a radial tire mold at home, Greatoo has developed a mode of intelligentized manufacturing, informationalized management, branded production, internationalized market, and it covers any type of vehicle tire. It becomes the typical supplier of tire mold for aerospace and military. With advanced technological equipment, high positioning accuracy, and vulcanizing efficiency, the self-developed high-precision hydraulic curing press produces tires with higher mileage and lower rolling resistance by 40%. Greatoo stands out of the domestic market and puts itself in an unrivaled position in its field. As a technology leader in intelligent field with 20 years experience of high-speed process, 50 years experience of EDM, and 25 years of automation research, Greatoo subsidiary OPS Ingersoll possesses patents on high-precision CNC machine tool and enjoys the trust of customers in US and Europe. Drilling and milling processing automation unit wins high reputation. It's a high automation, high integration, high standard, and high pass rate. Greatoo has its ideology of technological innovation and development deeply rooted while it promotes global cooperation on technological research and development by building close partnership with internationally renowned robot manufacturers. At present, we have made significant breakthroughs in know-how and key components such as control system and RV reducer. Meanwhile, we obtain independent intellectual property and international patents. Greatoo self-developed products of heavy load and light load, 6 degrees of freedom industrial robot, 5-axis machine center, automatic storage and retrieval system, flexible automation production line combine excellent performance of agility, stability, reliability, coherence, and security. With the honor of new and high technology enterprise in China's Torch Plan, National Technology Innovation Model Enterprise, and National Enterprise Technology Center. We are also accredited as Class AA by the General Administration of Customs. New R&D Institute covers the 15 key robot enterprises of Guangdong Province. There are high-end R&D institutes including National Enterprise Technology Center, National and Local Joint Engineering Center, Actimation Workstation, Doctoral Workstation, etc. in Greatoo, which forges a multi-layered and multi-dimensional enterprise innovation system. It is the strict quality control which supports the constant innovation. Nowadays, Greatoo has implemented and maintains a quality management system and an environment management system in compliance with ISO, an occupational health and safety management system in compliance with OHSAS, and integration of industrialization and informatization management system. cooperates with colleges to provide its employees with educational upgrade class and a Master of Engineering class while supporting excellent staffs in continuing education abroad, which aims at cultivating knowledgeable industrial workers and building up personnel pool for Greatoo. The various kinds of enterprise cultural activities enrich the cultural life of Greatoo people in multi-dimensions. Continuous pursuit of perfection motivates Greatoo to provide customers with excellent products and service. Due to the pursuing of perfection, we are listed as a leading supplier of the global procurement and supply system of international first-tier clients like Bridgestone, Michelin, Goodyear, Continental, Pirelli, etc. Greatoo usually has its own prospect in the industrial development. The transformation from basic equipment to intelligent equipment and the continuous upgrade from mechanization, automation, informatization to intelligent helpfully guide Greatoo to gradually establish a high-end and future-oriented new intelligent industry system. Greatoo will keep on with competitive aid in the involved industries and focus on the construction of a world-class high-end, sophisticated intelligent equipment manufacturing base in order to achieve the Greatoo dream. Create a global brand, build a centennial Greatoo. Intelligent technology, intelligent Greatoo. Greatoo Intelligent Equipment Incorporated.